How to fix TikTok. Not opening first, try closing the app completely. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, open your app switcher, swipe up, or use the Recent Apps button on Android. Close TikTok and reopen it to see if this resolves any small bugs or glitches that may have caused the issue. The next step is to clear unnecessary data. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Find TikTok in the list, select it, and tap Offload App to remove unnecessary files while keeping your app data. Afterward, tap Reinstall to update to the latest version. If TikTok is still not opening, it could be an issue with the app's servers. Open a web browser and search for "Is TikTok down?" This will show a website displaying the server status. If you see a spike in the graph, it indicates a server problem. In this case, all you can do is wait for TikTok to resolve the issue. These fixes should address most of the common issues preventing TikTok from opening. If you still face problems, check the comments for additional tips and suggestions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe,